How to swap batteries on Sony A7 IV. If you want to swap your batteries on Sony A7 IV, it's fairly quite simple for us to do so. Now what we have to do to swap a battery on Sony A7 IV is, first of all, make sure the camera is turned off. So use this button right here to turn your camera off. Once you've turned off your camera, you want to simply look for the battery slot on your camera. So usually it's going to be at the back. You can see this little slot is the battery slot. So what we do is, first we unlock this. So we just swipe down like this and that gets popped off easily. After we do that, you can see this is a blue lock again. Just swipe that lock as well like this, and the battery will pop out like this. Now depending upon which one it is, you have another battery, you simply go ahead and then put them back in. So you want to focus this copper wire icon right here, right? So make sure that this is towards the bottom, and on your camera also you can see those spaces. So now you want to just make sure to put the battery in like this. It will get locked, then lock this as well, and you've successfully swapped your batteries. So that's all it takes to swap batteries on Sony A7 IV. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.